Hey everybody. Okay, so to set up your essay, here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to need to have in the top right corner your name first and last, the title of your assignment, your teacher's name, and then the class period that you're in. To get this TH to pop up, you'll just type in, like if we were doing 8th period, 8TH space, and it'll automatically do it for you. Then you're going to skip a line, so you'll press enter once, and you'll have your essay below. You need to make sure that you've indented all of your paragraphs. So in order to indent, if it looks like this at first, all you're going to do is press the tab button on your keyboard, TAB, and it'll indent for you. You'll have to go do that for each individual paragraph. Remember, you're going to need at least 5 paragraphs, 1 introduction, 1 for your reason 1, 1 for your reason 2, 1 for your reason 3, and 1 for your conclusion. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to highlight everything that you've written, every single thing. And you're going to need to make sure that the font size for everything is Times New Roman and that it is 12-point font. Also, while you've got it highlighted, you're going to want to go and make it double spaced. So you'll click on these 3 dots over here if you're in Word 360. If you're not in Word 360 and you're just using regular Microsoft, there's going to be a box that's right around here and it's going to say paragraph. And it'll have a little arrow in the bottom right corner that you'll click on, and there will be something that pops up, and in there it'll say spacing. And you'll click on that and go to double. If you're following me with the 3 dots and you're using Office 360, you'll click on 3 dots, line spacing, press 2, and it'll space out your essay for you to where you have double spacing and it's not as hard to read. The last thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create a bibliography. This is for you to give credit to people who you've gotten information from, or you are using their facts in your essay. When you do it, you'll title it bibliography on the next blank page, and then you're going to put down the author's last name, comma, first name, with the title of the article and website. After everything, you do have to put a period. If you have something where it's like procon.org editors and they don't have a first or last name, you would just put it as that. If you don't have an author and you just have the title of the article, all you're going to do is just skip it and start with the title and the website. If you have multiple articles, then what you would do is you'd put the first author, their last name, then first name, and then you'd list everyone else, like normal. They do have to be in alphabetical order, so make sure, for example, Crump, I would have to move to the top because that comes before P, so I would just move it. And then you have it in alphabetical order. You don't need to have this on your actual bibliography, that's just there to remind you of how to do it. If you have any questions or how to set up your essay, please don't hesitate to reach out. All right, talk to you later. Bye.